Bears, Rich from 2RC Productions here. It's been a little while since we made a video, and Bullitt's been running awesome. We've been running the Bullitt, going to cruises and stuff, but I have not filmed. I apologize for that. It's been a couple months, but I wanted to take this opportunity because we made a little change on the Bullitt. You know, we installed the E-cutouts. We had the stack Bullitt mufflers on there. They just weren't quite loud enough for me in normal driving, and with the E-cutouts, it's just too loud in normal driving. Great for shows, cruises, idling to hear the cams. So what I ended up doing was doing a little muffler research, and I ended up going with Jones full bore Deflector 2 mufflers. I stumbled across them. Summit sells them, Jag sells them, Late Model Restoration sells them. Their price is extremely cheap, which I thought it either means it's a junk muffler or it's made in China. Turns out it's an American-based company made out of Tennessee. The quality is right there with a Flowmaster. They're like a knockoff of a Flowmaster, I guess you could say. Flowmaster lost their patent, and other companies are jumping on the bandwagon. But I checked the material. They're 16 gauge steel. The welds are the same. I had a set of Flowmasters to compare them to. They are on the car now. I had a little trouble when I first put them on, and I had some leaks that popped up that I really couldn't tell with the stock Bullitt mufflers. I was having a problem with the collector where the valve met the exhaust pipes, and the bolts that were on there were a cheap metric grade bolt, and they were stretching. I broke one of them. They were stretching and they kept leaking, so I went and bought grade 8 bolts, buttoned it up. I got no leaks at all. I was having trouble yesterday with the mufflers, with tune adjusting. I don't know what happened. I disconnected the battery, ran it with the mufflers, and the car was running weird. It wasn't like it had lost major acceleration. Did a little research. I called Bama Tuning. I ended up reinstalling the tune, patching the exhaust leaks. Now the car's running the way it should. Very strange, but that's what it is. So we're out here at a forest preserve road with nobody around, and we're going to do a real exhaust sample video, which I have not done yet. So Richie, go ahead, step over there and get a little of the idle. This is the idle with the new Deflector 2 chambered mufflers from Jones Exhaust. Got these from Jags. Paid $19 a piece on sale. Paid $9 for shipping and received them next day. At a local muffler shop, install them. I kept the stock Bullitt mufflers. I'm putting them away just to have for future. But this is what it is. So I'm going to get in the car, do a little driving, a little moderate acceleration, a little hard acceleration, some revs, so you guys can hear what it sounds like.